I have 10,000 things going through my mind. Makeup wasn't one of them. But I did some Christmas shopping this morning. Last night, my mom and I went to the For King and Country concert. It was the Christmas concert, best concert I've ever been to, so I'm all hyped up still from that. Yesterday, I found a piece of artwork by the side of the road that's of the Nativity, and I sort of fixed it up, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'm just so motivated, but I'll show you something. The room where I spend a lot of my day is in absolute chaos, and it's just not working. I don't want to buy anything new for in here. I do have a plan for the future, but for right now, I just need to declutter this. Last night while we were at the concert, Marcello, his dad, and the kids put the nativity scene up. My father-in-law actually made this. It's so precious. It got me thinking. I think I want to take these bookshelves out of here and put them in the office. It always kind of bothers me, all the colors, all the things. I have no idea if we'll like it, but I'm just gonna try. Plus it'll be a good opportunity to clean, dust everything. A very special thing that happened to me yesterday was I found this by the side of the road. The frame was broken, there was some water damage, so as I took it apart and noticed that it's signed by the artist. So it's a print, but it's signed by the artist, which is so special. His name is Richard Jesse Watson. I spray painted the matte. So that was such a treasure to find. I do talk to God when I walk, and this felt like a very clear response from him. I think I'm just going to take everything out. I'm gonna even take down the shelves, the verses that are backwards. I just think I need to take everything out and start over and reevaluate. I think I am gonna take this down. This was from IKEA. It's never worked well. Only one door is on here. I'm gonna work on taking that out. These are Marcello's old, they're empty, but his favorite collection. So I'm not sure what I'll do with those. And I think I'm gonna take out this rug because it's kind of gross. We've had it for a very long time. And I do have an extra one in the playroom. That was a lot more involved than I thought. You really have to be careful about what you buy and what you bring into your house because you have to manage it, take it down. I haven't liked it for years, but it just was here, so now it's gonna be gone. I did check with Marcello if this was okay a while ago, but I just randomly, impulsively decided to do it today. So I just sent him a text of the empty room. We'll see what he says. Wondering what I did. I just gotta keep working before I think about it too much. I'm gonna clean these shelves and then figure out a plan for this one because I don't think I can lift that up by myself. Surprise! The kids' room is a mess. I'm going to dig out this dresser back here and put the nativity on that. Oh my gosh. Today is the kids' chore day to pick up the playroom, so good timing. Perché sono stanca dei libri, quindi ho scelto che voglio mettere questo qua con i libri nell'ufficio.
Sì, sì, è meglio l'ufficio. Sì. Vai, vai, brava, vai, vai. È così o no?
Sì, perfetto, perfetto. Okay, I love it. I realized I've never told you where anything is from, but it's all from IKEA. All of it. Even the picture frames, even the lights, even the dresser. My alarm just went off. It's time to go pick the kids up from the bus. So I'll have to sort through this later. Okay, it's a new day. The day got away from me yesterday. After picking up kids, I realized one had an eye doctor appointment that took 2 hours, but I really worked hard and I just have this pile of things I have to figure out what to do with. And Marcello already threw the stuff away, so I'll show you what it looks like. So here's where we're at. I'm really happy. It's all clean. All the books are dusted and organized. I'm not a fan of little pieces stacked on top of each other, but I think that this is the way this is gonna have to be because I really use this surface area. So I'm gonna try to put this here. It looks piecey, which I don't, piecemeal, which I don't love. But I think it's just gonna have to be that way in here, and I'll find another spot for this guy. This is kind of a dark corner, so I'm gonna put this faux tree over here. This guy will do okay over here. I love to have real plants instead of faux, but okay. I have all of these beautiful old books from my grandparents that I'd like to put up here. How this looks. I don't know. Do you see it's up this much? I don't want to take the whole thing apart. The truth is I have to go to the boys have soccer tournaments today and we have to leave. We have to start getting ready in 15 minutes. So they're good enough. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta get things done. I'm just gonna try. Does it fit? No. Maybe this rug will work. I'll try that. Let's go, Adrian! Let's go, Adrian!
Let's go! Number 1 fan!
Here's number 1 fan. Okay, that was wild and more involved than I thought. I'm all gross from being on the soccer fields for 5 hours in the sun, but I think I'm done and I'm so happy with it. I think I'm gonna have to go through the rest of the house room by room and just edit it to the things that we use and the things that we love. So let me give you a little tour. I gotta hurry too, because Clara and I are gonna do Christmas nails today, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do candy cane, white and red.
Perfect. So I might just go ahead and try that rug in there later, but one room at a time. Here we go. I'm sure I'll continue to tweak the styling up here, but I'm so happy that the books are organized. They make sense to me anyway, and they're all in one place. This rug will work well in here, and these desks have always fit well in here, and they're very affordable and they're very minimal looking. I think they can go in any style of design. And then on this side, I think it works. It's got my artwork here that I did simply with half of a roller and just painted on with some black paint. So really simple DIY art idea. And then this is a little messy here, but you know what? I think because it's all white, it works. We didn't talk about this side of the room much, but I did this very affordable ocean mural over here. I got it off Amazon. I don't want to guess the price. I think around $100 for the whole wall. One last thing, I'm excited about all the different lighting options in here. So these are on a switch, and so is this one. And I love how cozy that looks and that there's all different kinds of options. The only other thing that this room might need is possibly a chair over here. Okay, we're going to go do our nails. That's it for today's tour. We will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.